Question number 3. Fluorescein is an artificial dark orange colored organic molecule used in diagnosis of corneal ulcers and herpetic corneal infections. It is observed that in experimental animals, the fluorescent binds to receptors on certain B cells, but it does not stimulate them to produce fluorescence-specific antibodies unless it is first attached to a larger molecule such as albumin. Which of the following terms best describes fluorescence? Okay, so it is saying that to act as an antigen, it requires to bind to albumin. So what does this make fluorescent? Option A, a carrier. Option B, a hapten. Option C, a tolerogen. Option D, adjuvant. And option E, immunogen. Okay, fluorescent. This particular question was telling us that fluorescent is not a large enough antigen by itself. So it is requires something else to act as an antigen, and it is attached to something else, some protein molecule, so that it can act as an antigen. This is known as a hapten. This particular behavior is known as a hapten. Okay, so you should know that it is a hapten. Other than that, let's see by elimination method. Carrier. Now carrier is something that is a protein which helps to transfer molecules through the cell membrane or something like that. So it is not a carrier for sure. Alright. So it is not a carrier molecule. Hapten, okay, we don't know. Tolerogen. Tolerogen also, okay, we don't know. Adjuvant. Adjuvant is something that helps to, you know, increase the antigenicity of the particular molecule. So here it is not like that, like adjuvant is used in vaccines and things like that. So here we are not talking about a vaccine or anything. Immunogen. Immunogen is a very generic term which includes everything that has ability to act as an antigen. So that is also a very vague term. So hapten is the true answer over here. Even if we look at it by the way of elimination, we can answer it.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.